Hiccups are sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle. They can be triggered by eating too quickly or drinking too much. Irritation of the nerves that control the diaphragm is another cause. Stress, excitement, or even laughing can cause hiccups. In some cases, hiccups can be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Fortunately, most hiccups are harmless and will go away on their own. Breathing exercises, holding your breath, or applying pressure to your diaphragm can help stop hiccups. So, the next time you get hiccups, try these techniques to calm your diaphragm. And now you know the reasons behind this common phenomenon. Stay curious, and thanks for watching.